With the slitting complete, individual finish rolls can now be created. Turn off the bottom rewind tension sensor and loosen the roll. Cut the material, leaving some slack. Remove the roll from the mandrel. Install empty cores cut to the width of your finished labels. The top rewind mandrel must be used for the labels closest to the back of the press. Install a core on the bottom rewind mandrel and adjust the tension sensor position if necessary. Position the cores to align with the slitted label stock. Attach the stock to the core and tighten the mandrels. Turn on the tension sensors for both the bottom and top mandrels. If the sides of the stock are being trimmed, take the trimmed material and feed it up above the bar and feed these into the waste take-up.